By using just one bottle of catalytic converter cleaner, you can easily resolve the P2227 error code on your own. This means that the engine control module, ECM, has detected an incorrect or unreliable reading from the barometric pressure sensor A or its circuits. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. This video is going to show you a practical solution to fix this error code at home. Use a cleaner of your choice. Simply add the cleaner to your gas tank, ensuring you use the appropriate amount based on the specific cleaner you choose. The fluid mixes with the gasoline in the tank and works to break down the buildup in the catalytic converter, effectively cleaning it. Then you can drive your car for 150 miles or run the engine at about 200 RPMs for 30 minutes to run the cleaner through. So in this way, you can easily fix the P2227 error code. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.